Have you ever bought something, felt excited for 5 minutes, and then wondered, did I actually need this? Most people think they have a money problem. But the truth is, they have a psychology of spending problem. Because your brain doesn't spend money logically. It spends emotionally. Today, we're breaking down one of the most important financial lessons nobody teaches in school. The difference between needs and wants. Not just from a money perspective, but from a psychological perspective. Because once you understand why you spend, you start controlling money instead of money controlling you. Welcome to FinEdge. It is a complete finance knowledge journey, designed to take you from absolute beginner to financial expert. No jargon overload, no fake promises, no shortcuts, just clear concepts, real-life examples, and structured learning, exactly how finance should be taught. Section 1. What is a need? A need is something essential for survival, stability, or basic functioning. Without it, your life becomes difficult. Needs include food, shelter, electricity, basic clothing, healthcare, transportation for work. Needs solve problems. They protect your life and stability. If your phone breaks and you need it for work, replacing it is a need. But buying the latest flagship phone when your current one works perfectly? That's something else. Section 2. What is a want? A want is something that improves comfort, pleasure, status, or entertainment. Wants are not bad. The problem is not having wants. The problem is confusing wants with needs. Your brain is extremely good at creating emotional justifications. I deserve this. Everyone has it. This will make me happy. It's on sale. I'll start being productive after buying this. And suddenly, a luxury becomes an essential. Section 3. The psychology of spending. Here's where it gets dangerous. Most spending decisions are not rational. They are emotional. When you buy something exciting, your brain releases dopamine, the feel-good chemical. That temporary excitement tricks your mind into believing, this purchase improved my life. But in reality, many purchases only improve your mood for a few minutes. Social media makes this worse. Every day, you see better cars, better vacations, better gadgets, better lifestyles. And slowly, comparison turns into consumption. You stop buying for usefulness. You start buying for identity. Not because you need it, but because you want to feel successful. Section 4. The most expensive word. Deserve. One of the most dangerous spending triggers is this sentence. I deserve it. Yes, you deserve happiness. But companies know exactly how to exploit emotions. That's why advertisements rarely sell products. They sell feelings. Status, confidence, attraction, success, belonging. A 500 rupees coffee is never just coffee. It's a lifestyle experience. A luxury watch is not just time. It's social validation. Section 5. How to identify needs versus wants. Before buying anything, ask yourself these 5 questions. 1. Does this solve a real problem? Or is it solving boredom? 2. Will my life become difficult without it? If not, it's probably a want. 3. Am I buying this emotionally? Especially when stressed, sad, or excited. 4. Would I still buy it after 7 days? Delayed decisions reduce impulse spending. 5. Am I buying this for myself? Or for other people's approval? That last question changes everything. Section 6. Wants are not enemies. Being financially smart does not mean living miserably. You can enjoy travel, good food, gadgets, entertainment. But the key is balance. Needs build stability. Wants build enjoyment. The danger starts when wants destroy stability. Section 7. The real goal of money. The real purpose of money is not endless consumption. It's freedom. Freedom from stress. Freedom from debt. Freedom to make choices. Freedom to live life on your own terms. Every unnecessary purchase silently steals future freedom. Because every rupee spent today is a rupee that could have built investments, assets, emergency savings, opportunities. So next time before buying something, pause for a moment and ask yourself, do I need this? Or do I just want the feeling this gives me? That single question can change your financial future. Because wealthy people don't buy everything they can afford. They buy intentionally. If this video changed your perspective on money and spending, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Because financial freedom doesn't start with earning more. It starts with understanding yourself.